Welcome back, friends. Lesson 8, Part 2. Learning Target. I can complete an opinion paragraph by writing the opinion statement and one reason to support it. How many parts are there to our opinion paragraph? 4. Great. So, today we're going to do a little bit of writing. I'm going to help you and you're going to do some of the writing on your own. So I'm going to give you the introduction and the conclusion sentences, but you are going to have to write the opinion and reason on your own. You'll do it. It's great. Here is our opinion paragraph. We have the introduction, opinion statement, reason, and conclusion. Last time we wrote, what was our opinion paragraph about? Leaving the nest up. Great. And what reason did we use in our opinion paragraph? People love doing what? Watching the birds. That's right. People love watching the birds. And that's the reason we gave them for leaving the nest up. Here is our class notes. We already used that one. You're going to be practicing a new reason to support leaving the nest up. People have different opinions about what to do with pale male's nest. Should people leave it up or take it down? That's just like the introduction we had yesterday. In the first part, we say the people have the different opinions, and then we tell them what those opinions are. The two opinions, leave it up or take it down. We had the problem and the opinions. Here is where you're going to write your opinion statement and reason. So, let's look at our pale male class notes, and that might help us a little bit. So we know that an opinion statement tells us what we think or how we feel about something. So we should start that with, I think, and then we're going to tell them about what we're writing about. I think we should do what? Leave the nest up. And then we need to put the reason. And there is an important word that we use to connect our opinion to our reason. What's that word? Because. Awesome. Yes, because. It's going to be our very important connector word. Here we go. We have tall buildings are good nesting places, birds need nests to protect their babies, and hawks can find food in the big city. So, on this side, we're going to write, I think people should leave the nest up because people love watching the birds. This is the one I wrote from yesterday, and that's why it's covered up on our chart. I think is going to be your sentence starter, and because is our connecting word. Please pause the video and write your opinion statement and reason. When you're done, press the play button to continue. Now we are going to look at revising and editing. Good writers revise and edit their work. That means they go back and add or take out things that they don't need and make sure that they have capital letters, punctuation, spelling, and everything looks good. So let's go over our checklist. The first word of each sentence has to start with a capital letter. beginning and ending punctuation. Spelling of bird and high frequency words is accurate. Finger spaces between each word. The words are on the lines. The words are large enough to read. And phrases for the opinion statement and reasons. I think blank because. Remember, it's important to tell what your opinion is, that's the I think, and because is the connecting word between your opinion and your reason. So, go back, look at your opinion statement and reason, and make sure that you have edited and revised your work for all the things we just looked for on our checklist. Then, you're going to submit your work on Canvas. So first, think about the reasons we talked about for keeping the nest up. Next, write on page 68 to tell your opinion and reason for keeping the nest up. Then, click the blue Submit Assignment button to take a picture of your work.